Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models and welcome to Build Your Own R2D2 from DeAgostini. This is issue 53, when basically all we get is a test board and a couple more cables. So what I'm going to do is get together everything I need and we'll see about testing to make sure everything works as it should. It seems that, as it says this time, we're provided with test board and cables used together with the sensor control board from previous issues. You're not ready to fit the board permanently, but you can use it to test the first leg and the lightsaber ejection mechanism. So we've got to connect up the boards together and the battery pack obviously, and then connect in the other bits. So I'll get the bits ready and we'll start there. Okay, I've got the bits ready. I've taken the wires off, the protective wires off of the wires. Got the battery pack and the two boards. So we're going to put them together. We've got the wire with the blue bit which goes onto the middle connector here, even right way round, right end of it, and then the other end of that doesn't go anywhere yet. The red one goes next to it here. There we go. Right, the other end of cable one, the one with the blue bit, goes into the far end over here, and the red one comes over this end. So we've got a sort of twist to the pieces there. That's that, and then the power goes into this board here. So that's the test board assembled. Now, turning the page, we have the lightsaber ejection mechanism, which we built a few episodes ago. So this has two wires coming out of it, one for the motor and one for the two sensors that are sort of limiting sensors. The sensor one goes in on the end, up there. There you go. And the motor one goes next to it. And there we go. Right, then we turn the back power on and we get some lights flashing up, a little red light on there saying it's powered. And then according to the instructions, pressing button 1 will make the lightsaber come out and 2 will make it go back in. So let's see. Yep, well, it didn't go back in, but the mechanism itself did. If I was holding it up the right way it would. Comes out and goes back. So yep, that's working as intended. Obviously once that's attached to the head it will pop open the little cover. There we go. Right, so that works. For the next bit we're testing the leg sensors, so I need to take this all apart again and dig out the leg, so I'll see you in a moment. Right, I've got the leg, excuse me, mind the camera, and I've unplugged the ejector mechanism. Now for this bit we're testing the proximity sensor on it, so that plugs into there, and then when we turn it on we're basically just checking for lights on here. There should be a blue light that appears when something moves basically close to this sensor. So I'm actually going to maneuver that, it doesn't matter if it's up the right way or not, towards the edge of the bench here where you can't really see it but you can see the lights. And then when I turn this on, hopefully you'll be able to see some lights, and then not lights as I make sure there's nothing directly in front of it. There we go. And then as I move something in closer to it, no, I need something bigger than my hand, so I'll use the binder. There we go. Ooh. So I'm starting away. Oh, too close. Start away and bring it in, and when it gets to about half a metre, give or take, that comes on. There we go. I'm moving it away, it goes off. Moving it in, it comes on. So yeah, happy with that. That seems to be working. Right, next it says to test the red, orange, yellow lead from the motor. Now I've got just the one red, orange, yellow, which goes into there. Right, now this is testing the little sensor on the bottom, and we're just looking for lights again. So basically it's testing these sensors here. Oh, there you go, I can test that without the edge using the book or a page. As that comes across, I get a green light, comes on. Yeah, when the foot's in surface, green light comes on. When it goes over the edge, the green light goes off, which is exactly what's happening as something comes in touch with these sensors. Yeah, you can't actually see what I'm doing. No, the problem with this being bigger, but I say basically as something goes in front of that sensor, it goes on. So normally it would be on with it driving around. If it goes off an edge, it stops, which will, in theory, stop it. So yeah, that's the end of testing for this episode, this issue. I'll unplug everything, put it all back away, and get ready for the next bit. See you soon. Thanks for watching.